Hello everyone, I'll walk you through how to set up your Starlink account after purchasing your Starlink kit. Once you have your Starlink device, open your browser and visit the official Starlink website. From the home page, navigate to the activation section to begin setting up your service. Next, you'll need to enter your Starlink identifier. You can find this directly on your device or its packaging. Depending on your kit, this may be labeled as a terminal ID, kit serial number, or another serial number, such as Standard, Enterprise, Mini, and so on. Carefully type this information into the activation page. After entering the identifier, select the option to create a new account. You'll then be asked to provide your service address, so Starlink can confirm coverage in your area. Once that's done, choose the service plan that best fits your needs. Finally, complete the setup by entering your contact details and billing information to finalize the agreement and activate your service. Alternatively, you can activate your Starlink using the official Starlink mobile app. Simply download the app, sign in, or create a new account, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. That's it. Once everything is submitted, your Starlink service will be ready to go.